What is a function? Let's find out. Think of a function as a machine. You feed it an input, x, and it gives back exactly one output, f of x. One input always produces exactly one output. That's the whole rule. Let's try a real example. F of x equals x plus 3. Put in 2, and out comes 5. Put in 5, and out comes 8. Even -1 gives a clean answer, 2. We can also picture this with a mapping diagram. Here, every input on the left points to exactly one output on the right. That's a valid function. But if input 1 points to two different outputs at once, that breaks the rule. This is not a function. Now let's graph a function, f of x equals x squared. Every point on this curve is one input paired with one output. Here's a quick way to check: the vertical line test. If any vertical line crosses the graph only once, it's a function. Two more terms you'll hear a lot: domain and range. The domain is the full set of allowed inputs, and the range is the full set of outputs the function can produce. Let's recap what we covered. A function maps each input to exactly one output. We write it as f of x. The vertical line test checks if a graph is a function. And the domain is the inputs, the range is the outputs. Functions, one input, one output. That's all there is to it.